Kute Toon TV.
Lucy's excitement, oh so clear, setting up camp with loved ones near. First time camping, adventure in sight, long brown hair tied back, ready for the night. Oh Lucy, in the forest so grand, pitching tents and gathering wood, hand in hand, around a campfire, stories and delight. Your radiant smile, glowing in firelight. Roasting marshmallows under starry skies, learning constellations where imagination flies. A shooting star streaks across the night, in the tent nature symphony, a pure delight. Oh Lucy, in the forest so grand, pitching tents and gathering wood, hand in hand, around the campfire, stories and delight. Your radiant smile, glowing in firelight. Bonding with family in the magic of outdoors, wonder and joy, forever yours. Sleeping under stars, nature's lullaby, Lucy's camping adventure, soaring high. Oh Lucy, in the forest so grand, pitching tents and gathering wood, hand in hand, around a campfire, stories and delight. Your radiant smile, glowing in firelight. An unforgettable experience of nature's embrace, Lucy's heart filled with joy and grace. Camping adventure, memories to store, in the forest and magic forevermore.
One sunny afternoon with a plan in mind, Lucy and her dad with a project to find. Building a tree house in the backyard so green, Lucy's eyes sparkled with excitement seeing. Oh Lucy, with a cheerful glow, helping build a tree house, watching it grow. Handing tools to dad, hammering nails with pride, creating a special place where dreams reside. With a smart and cheerful way, she eagerly took part, designing and constructing, putting in her heart. As the treehouse took shape, her excitement grew, a place for her imagination, where dreams came true. Oh Lucy, with a cheerful glow, helping build a treehouse, watching it grow. Handing tools to dad, hammering nails with pride, creating a special place where dreams reside. Reading, drawing, letting her imagination fly, tea parties with friends, secrets in the sky. Countless memories made in her special space, Lucy's treehouse adventure, a joyful embrace. Oh Lucy, with a cheerful glow, Lucy, with a cheerful glow, helping build a treehouse and watching it grow. Handing tools to dad, hammering nails with pride, creating a special place where dreams reside. With her smart and cheerfully, and joy in every hand, building something special with dad so grand. A treehouse, a testament to fun and cheer, Lucy's adventure held so dear.
adventure was both educational and fun. Lucy's heart for wildlife shone like the sun. Her appreciation grew for conservation's role in protecting the creatures that make nature whole.